This is Akashi Chris from Mindforked, and I'm here with Kat from RichKat Ranch, and this is Delilah, and behind you is Cabo, and I'll be posting some updates from Cabo because Cabo was basically trying to take our hats off, and specifically mine since I'm the only one wearing it. But Delilah's so cool, and we're sitting here with Kat and Richard is bringing carrots right now for the horsies. Thank God, because Cabo needs the food. He's demanding. Cabo grumpy. He's demanding. But she was showing me her turtles, her ducks, Mulder and Scully, the geese, the dogs, what else do you got here?
Well, cats. You haven't met the
cat.
cats
No, I
yet.
haven't met
We
the
have
cat
cats.
family yet, but we're gonna go meet the cat family. So you do rescue as well, right?
We do rescue. We foster German Shepherd dogs. We board dogs. Delilah's a rescue. Cabo's a rescue.
I'm so excited because we got to actually meet on Tuberchat, of all things. We're like a UFO channel and a ranch
Homestead.
channel. And when I saw that you had Mulder and Scully, I'm like, this is a sign from God. Where we're supposed to meet, and we were in town. So we get to meet and we get to hang out. So we're going to be posting some videos. But thank you so much for having us. I love this so much. So, and here comes Richard. Richard took care of Cabo. So, peace.
Oh, half the time you'll see him and he's got all kinds of jewelry in his mane.
Really?
Oh, I thought maybe you were like bedazzled.
Oh, I love it.
He's like, you're not bedazzling me.
Oh, does he? Are the ears different moods? He's about to run you over. I like, you got food? You got food? Back. Hi, Cabo. I like Cabo. So sad.
Oh, Cabo, you've been schooled, Cabo.
Mulder and Scully. Mulder and Scully. So he alerts first if there's danger or new people or Scully. Scully. Come here, Scully. Come here, Scully. Scully. Come here, Scully. Come here, Scully. This is Picasso. Here's Picasso.
Okay, this vulture is too cool. Look at that. On the creepiest, he picked the creepiest tree. It's awesome. What's happened? Now I feel bad for Vulture. Sorry, Vulture. Whoa.